everyone, so I'm not quite in my usual setup today. I'm actually downstairs because I cannot get this box up the stairs to my normal place. So today's video is a very kindly gifted collab video with the Bottle Club. If you don't know what the Bottle Club are, they're basically a website that literally has like every single drink that you could ever possibly need, ranging from like £1 to £100,000 bottles. Like, they're incredible. There's every single thing is on their site. They've kindly collaborated with me to do a YouTube video on an unboxing, so I'm going to do the unboxing part by myself today now, and then I'm going to be joined later on with a friend and we're going to test them out. So we're going to try them because we are going to Ibiza at 5 AM to finish the rest of the season. We work over there, so we're going to do that. So we're going to have a try of them before we go to the airport. But for now, I'm just going to unbox the video and show you what I got. So I'm just opening the box up now. The very first thing that comes to hand is these Beautify 2 champagne flutes. So I'm going to take a wild guess and say there's some Prosecco or some champagne in the box. I'm just going to take one of them out of the box to show you. Their stuff is unreal. Like, it's such high quality. It's so nice. Like, how unreal is that? So they've give me 2 of these. Obviously for the house, I'm going to be keeping them. Don't think I'll bring them to Ibiza because they'll probably get broke. But yeah, they've given me 2 of these, so I'm going to take a wild guess and say there's some champagne or Prosecco in there. The next thing that comes to hand is, like, even their packaging is unbelievable. Like, it's all packaged so well. Like, I just honestly can't thank them enough. Like, it's unreal. First up, we have some handcrafted dry gin, Whitley Neal, 43%, so that's a little bottle of gin. There's 2 Whitley Neal gin originals. Everything is so well packaged. Like, of course it has to be because, oh, that's another one. So there's 3 mini bottles of gin. Obviously they have to be well packaged because it's bottles, but like, this is like unreal. And then in here there is 2 bottles of water, and there's actually 2 bottles of, I think it's hand sanitizer or soap. Cleansing hand gel with alcohol, so it's actually a hand sanitizer. So I think it's kind of like a lockdown kind of COVID box, like, as such, but that's like unreal. I'm going to bring this to Ibiza with me because I don't have a massive thing of hand sanitizer for our room, which is hella important at the minute. So there is 2 more bottles of water over here. There are 4 packets of Fleisch wipes, which I will be bringing with me to Ibiza because, again, very important right now. And then there are actually disposable masks. So the first half of this is just kind of like little bits and bobs, but then there are actual full-size bottles coming up. This is just like an incredible, like, who even thinks to like put all these together? Like, that's so good for like what we're going through at the minute. So there's masks. I will be using these in Ibiza because you have to over there. And altogether there was 5 bottles of water and 4 of the Fleisch wipes. So next up we've got a mini bottle of pink gin. This is one of my favourite drinks there is. Like, that was my go-to this time last year. 2 more bottles of gin. Jasmine and Rose gin. This is Bloom Jasmine and Rose. Bloom dry gin. So that's the original bottle. Like, they're so cute. They're so lovely. Next up we'll have a mini bottle of Gordon's Original. Gin is my like go-to drink. Gin and Jameson are my 2 like go-tos, so this is up my street. I'm going to bring all these mini bottles with me as well. So we have Panther Energy. I assume there's maybe a vodka to go with it, I'm not too sure. We actually have 4 of them. No, we have 1, 2, 6 of these. We have got 2 tins of Gordon's Pink. 1, 2. And we have got 2 tins of Gordon's Original. These are unreal. I'm so excited for it. So first up we have got a bottle of Malbec. It's red wine. We have got the new, I've been so excited to try this. I've tried the lemon one, but I haven't actually tried this one. This is the Gordon's White Peach. We were going to try this on my birthday, but Channing actually got the lemon one, so we'll be trying this tonight. This is the Gordon's White Peach. I would drink that with lemonade. We have got summer watermelon Ciroc. Like, how beautiful also is this bottle. Like, I'm keeping this bottle no matter if I drink it, it'll be filled with water and it's getting kept. Unreal. Summer watermelon Ciroc. I'm so excited to try that. Lemonade, like I just drink all my drinks with lemonade. And now we are on to our last 3 bottles, which are, we've got the Palm by Whispering Angels. This is one of my favourites. Like, I've tried this before. It is unreal. Rosé is my favourite wine. Like, I could drink it day and night. It is unreal. And even this bottle, like, it's the cutest thing ever. I would go for this. Like, if I seen that in the shop, I would go for that one. Next up, we have a white wine. It is the Flying Kiwi and it's Sauvignon Blanc. It is a Marlborough Sauvignon Blanc. My mum will be loving this. This is her favourite type of wine, so this will be going to her whatever I'm away. And last but not least, now that I've finally got it out of the packaging, is the Chianti Prosecco 2019. Says it all really. It's such a Prosecco. It's, everyone loves a bit of Prosecco no matter what. 6 full bottles, lots of cans, lots of minis, and there was also the antibacterial wipes, the gel and the masks. Like, that is unbelievable, like absolutely incredible. As I said before, they have every single type of drink that you can imagine, like ranging from absolutely the cheapest to the most expensive, so there's something for absolutely everybody. All I can say is thank you so much to the Bottle Club for gifting me this. I am overwhelmed. I'm going to try and bring as much of it as possible to Ibiza. What's not taken will be here for me on getting back. You'll see in the next clips, this is going to be us trying them out, seeing what we like, seeing what we don't like, and we'll give you the honest opinions in the next clips. Where's my straw?
That's your straw.
We're going to try the watermelon one. My friends finally arrived, so we're going to try them now. And that's the one I'm most excited for.
Same, I love watermelon.
No, you don't. Nice. Oh, yeah.
You do it because you know what my measurements are like.
I know that I was only going to have like a taster of everything, but I feel like it's just going to end up a drink of everything.
We're going to end up steaming this in our flat, waking up in Bangladesh or something.
Cheers. Oh
That's lovely.
my god, that's great.
I could drink that. That's dangerous though. Like, I'll be drinking and I'm like, this is so nice, and next thing the whole bottle will be
gone.
gone.
My god. I really didn't think I was going to like that much. Like, I was like, it'll be sickening. 10 out of 10.
12 out of 10.
See then, why the fuck do you move on? It's flirting.
We're gonna have to drink the whole thing.
Next.
I love how we both cheers and then hit the table. It's pure Ibiza thing, like you're taking a shot, you have to fucking whack the table before you
It's
drink
just
it.
a bar thing, like if you've worked in bars, I think, you just do it.
Dude, I didn't know you done here. Fair. Are we necking it? Okay.
So cold. So cold.
Yeah, it's freezing.
Because I think that's going to be lovely.
Try it, yeah.
Yeah. I feel like this is going to be really nice.
I'm excited.
So am I.
It's a gin.
So that's the Gordon's White Peach Gin. It's new.
Here, I don't like normal gin, but I fucking love all these flavours. Like,
Yeah.
they're actually all class.
He's like being literally
Converted.
by my gin cupboard.
Yeah, she's got top quality gin.
Hopefully,
Oh, that's class.
oh
I
my
think that's
god. That is dangerous. That's more dangerous. You wouldn't even notice.
Yeah, that's unreal.
So, like, light.
Light's the correct word, yeah.
Light and crisp. My throat keeps getting freezing.
It's because it's freezing cold
Like
ice.
freezing. Normal gin. I
Yeah.
don't even think I've ever tried one of these.
I've never had a can of gin like.
Neither.
I don't know if I like normal gin.
I like normal gin with lemonade. Don't think I like tonic.
We'll try it and see.
But yeah, people that drink it in bars, I'm like, really? Is that what you want?
It's probably good for you. Well, not good for you, but like
better.
Not calorific. What do you think?
Better than I thought, to be honest.
Let me have a wee go.
But the tonic's a bit like.
I'm nervous.
No, it's just a bit like. Not sweet.
Definitely better than I thought.
Way better than I
What
thought.
the fuck?
Like I thought I hated tonic. Like I thought I hated gin and tonic. That's alright. I can drink that. Someone had me.
I could drink that all night.
Yeah. Why am I being converted? I thought I hated it. Hated.
So right. As in I genuinely thought I
Hated.
did.
No, that's it.
bizarre.
I purposely haven't tried like everything because I mean, Secco, wine and more wine. So
I might start ordering gin and tonics.
I mean, if it's like that, like yeah. Plus people put like we squeeze a lime and all. Very nice. It's good.
For 29 minutes, did you say?
9.
Is it fuck?
We'll
Start
try.
sideways.
Oh fuck! Who worked in the bar?
The phone's went sideways.
Great. This is the Palm by Whispering Angel, a rosé, but rosé so hit and miss. I think like some of them were lovely and sweet, and you could just drink it all night, and some of them were like, ugh.
Really?
That's how I feel about
I
rosé.
never really drink rosé, you know. I love white wine and lemonade.
I would buy this just for the bottle.
Yeah, it's pretty. Isn't it?
Yeah, no one just for the bottle, like that's stunning. Stunning. I would buy that just for the bottle.
I'd wear a shirt with that label.
Yeah, yeah, literally.
Or
Right.
you cold in Ocean Beach or something.
You try first. Yeah, that would be nice actually.
Yeah, that's decent.
Some of them were like,
I'd put lemon in it
is it
though.
sweet?
Yeah, it's a wee bit sweet. I'd put lemonade in it if I was me because I just love wine and lemonade.
No, that's nice.
Like people love just wine and then just like not even lemonade in it.
Like a spritz.
Spritz.
That's me with beer. I would only be able to have a beer if it's a shandy.
Oh,
And
really?
even at that, I'm like,
No, I
I
love a
think
bit of beer.
beer is disgusting.
I love beer.
Distilled pink gin and tonic. So I usually have pink gin with lemonade. Like that's what all I've ever tried it with. So it'll be interesting to see if I like it with tonic because I thought I hated tonic. Do you not think tonic? This sounds so stupid. Do you not think tonic tastes like static electricity? Like a fuzzy TV. Not like a TV that's fuzzy.
I think
That's what it tastes like to me. Or like fizzy paracetamol as well.
I've never actually. I can't actually remember a time where I've just drank tonic. So I don't know.
It's
But if
not
I
nice on its own.
if I think of tonic, I think of sparkling water.
Yeah, which tastes like fizzy,
Yeah.
like
It's
paracetamol.
not nice.
Not nice. But
Who the fuck ever wants to drink
Ooh.
sparkling water? Like, do you know those people who sit in an office and
and drink
there's
sparkling
normal
water.
water and there's sparkling water? Why are you drinking sparkling
Who
water? I
picks sparkling?
don't get it.
Isn't that in a song? That's in a song.
Is it?
It's like, why are you trying to say that you drank sparkling water before this or something? It's like someone trying to be fancy.
I don't know.
Oh, that's gonna annoy me. That's gonna annoy me.
But yeah, it's fucking mean.
Right, so I wonder if I like it with tonic. I love pink gin with lemon.
I love pink gin lemonade. Delicious.
That's nice too. Yeah, that's great. Maybe I don't hate tonic as much as I thought. I thought I despised it. But whenever she had tonic, I was like, absolutely not. Like it has a bit of like a, like after, like not sweet, almost like bitter.
Yeah. I know
But
what
it's
you
still
mean.
nice. You still like get the pink gin through it and all.
Yeah, that's tasty.
I like that too.
That is tasty. I have changed my perception of tonic
Me
tonight as
too.
well. I'm enjoying this sweet drinking.
I
It's,
know.
it's opening my eyes, widening my
We'll be going now,
boundaries
basically going, give me a watermelon Ciroc.
with tonic.
It'll be £40 for one. And we'll be like, okay.
Can you take these David with us?
I know, that's what, this are all arrived and I was like I need to bring all
I
that
can
with me.
squeeze in my suitcase.
I'm definitely bringing all the minis that you've seen in the video are coming in the suitcase.
So that's a wee concoction.
That's a wrap.